The flame is right here. Okay, and there's just been a banner that's been unfurled, and they've just taken down, and they're kicking them, and they're beating them up, and they've ripped the flag out of his hand, and they've arrested him, they're putting him in a pain hold, and they're just off the balcony. Off of the balcony, they haven't been spotted yet. Yes, Light the Passion, Share the Dream, and in large letters, Free Tibet 2008. They're yelling. I'm not sure yet what's happened to the others. And the media are right there. They're saying Free Tibet to the media, and they're dragging her. And she's very upset.